Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Ashley. In today's video, we are going to do wash day as well as give you guys an update on the Cécred drops, as well as give y'all a little bit of update on my hair care journey. So if there's something you are interested in, please stay tuned and watch the full video. So the reason why I have my button on today, you guys, is because I haven't washed my hair yet. But before we get started, let's talk about the shampoo and the conditioner that I will be using, which is Cécred. I'm using Cécred hydrating shampoo, as well as their hydrating conditioner, as well as their moisture lotion. And the reason why I chose to use Cécred is because I want to keep the same brand. Since I'm doing a review on their Cécred hair drops, I want to keep the brand the same, so there will be no type of discrepancies saying that, oh, the reason why Cécred hair drops didn't work was because you use so and so brand. No, let's keep the brand the same, so we can cancel that out. Okay, so you may be wondering why I have the travel size. It's because, baby, times is hard out here. And I'd rather spend $40 than $50 or $60. And I know how to make something stretch. So I know that a little goes a long way with this, because I have used Cécred shampoo and conditioners before. And if you want to see my full review on those products, definitely check out my other videos I have on the channel. I'll link that in the description box below. But check those out. Obviously, I like Cécred because I'm using them again. But anyway, if you want to see the full review on that, check out the description box or the links in the description box below. Okay, you guys, so let me take you out to the sink and let's wash my hair. Also, if you checked out my last video from last week and the week before, you know that my hair is in a silk press. So let's go to the sink and wash my hair and watch my curls come back. Hopefully they come back, fingers crossed. Because if they don't come back, I look like I'm gonna have to cancel my next appointment to the hairstylist. But anyway, let's go to the sink. Okay, y'all, so I have rinsed out the conditioner, and this is what I'm looking like. So this is what my hair is looking like. um I won't be doing any specific styles or anything like that. I'm just gonna plait it up and keep it plait until it's time for the next wash day. I want to have low manipulation on my hair as possible, and if I need to go somewhere, having it in those plaits or those braids will be easier for me to throw in a wig. And usually I throw on like a glueless wig or one of those half or the headband wigs. So I won't be gluing it down, but I will have either like a headband wig or a glueless wig, and I can easily throw a hat on over if I need to. But so let's go ahead and examine the edges. As y'all can see, I can see this from way back here, but I'm gonna get in closer. So y'all see it right here. Now I'm gonna put up the video to of when how my edges look before I started Cécred edge drops. So we're doing a side by side. So what I'm about to do is let's apply some edge drops. So let's apply some edge drops. Ooh, remember this stuff is very runny. Hold on, y'all. So let's massage that in. Okay, y'all. This is the section I'm gonna braid first. And we're gonna be using Cécred's Moisture Sealing Lotion. This is how much I'm using for this one section. Okay, y'all, so here goes the braid. And I'm just gonna add just a little bit of the sealant lotion to my ends. And then let me do the rest of my hair, or braid the rest of my hair, and I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, so this is how I have my hair braided. I know, y'all, it's not perfect, but who's gonna see my hair anyway? This is just for me to keep from having to do a lot of maintenance, or this is like very low manipulation style for me, a low maintenance. And remember, I'm gonna be putting on a wig. If I really need to go somewhere, I can just pull my hair back, put the wig cap on, put my wig on, and I'm out the door. But anyways, if y'all made it this far into the video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, drop that in the comments and let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. Also, remember, I'm going to continue to use where did I put them? I'm going to continue to use the Cécred edge drops on this side of my hair, on the edges, and I'm going to keep y'all up to date weekly. as well as I'm gonna keep y'all updated on my healthy hair journey. And I'm continuing to get my hands trimmed. So we're gonna see if Cécred helps my hair become healthier. We're gonna see if my edges come back or get thicker. Not come back because they never went nowhere. We're gonna see if my edges get thicker. But anyways, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.